Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you the best AOC monitor settings for PS5 and Xbox gaming. Start with your monitor settings. Set game mode to off or standard. For overdrive, choose medium. This reduces ghosting while avoiding unwanted visual artifacts. Set color temperature to sRGB for natural and accurate colors. Keep shadow control or shadow contrast at 50% to maintain balanced visibility in dark scenes. Turn FreeSync or VRR on to reduce screen tearing and improve smoothness. Set brightness between 66% and 75%, depending on your room lighting. For contrast, use 50% for a balanced image. If you're using a PS5, go to Settings, Screen and Video, then Video Output. Set resolution to your monitor's native resolution, such as 1440p or 1080p. Avoid forcing 4K on a 1440p monitor because it offers no real benefit and may increase latency. Set Enable 120Hz output to automatic and VRR to automatic. HDR should usually be off, unless your AOC monitor supports high-end HDR certification like Display HDR 600 or higher. For Xbox Series X, open Settings, General, and TV and Display options. Under Video Fidelity and Overscan, set color depth to 30-bit per pixel, or 10-bit. Set color space to PC RGB. Use your monitor's native resolution at 120 Hz, and make sure variable refresh rate is set to allow or always on. Thanks for watching.